Today we are unboxing and taking our first look on the HK11 Ultra 3 second generation. They have announced that it comes with the latest UI and takes the inspiration from the Apple WatchOS 26. The full review will be going live on the main channel in this week, so make sure you are subscribed to that channel. The box looks the same. Let's get it out. Here is the user manual. As usual, in the global version you will get two straps, while in the Chinese version you will only get the ocean straps. After that we have a wireless charger here, and here is the smartwatch. Let's take off the plastic wrap and turn on the smartwatch. You'll have to press and hold the crown key, and as you can see the smartwatch is now turning on. Let's quickly set it up. I'm gonna select the language. After that, if you want to pair it with a smartphone, you can do it right here. I'm gonna skip it and let's go to the home screen. So here it is. Let's attach the straps. The straps fitting is quite good. We get the GPS antenna lining on the body. The overall body is also looking good. Here is the first look on the smartwatch. If we tap and hold, we get different watch faces in it, and these are the built-in watch faces now. Another good thing is that you can also change the colors in them. Then we have the control center. We get the widgets page here, and after that, if you go to the cellular menu style, here it is. It's looking quite good. If you open an application, let's open this one too, and then we go back. Then here's how the application history looks like. Another thing that I really like is that if you go to settings and display and brightness, I'm gonna turn on the AOD or the always on display mode. Let's turn it on for the whole day. So now you can use the always on display according to the watch face. If I use the palm gesture, here you can see that it is using the always on display according to the watch face, and it's not only for this one, it's also available for the other watch faces. Obviously we will be testing all of the other watch faces as well as all of the always on display styles in the full review. Before that, let's take a quick look at some of the applications UI. Here is the sport modes. It's looking quite good. Then we have the alarms here. After that we get the dial pad here. It's looking quite good and quite similar to the Apple Watch. So this was a quick look on the latest HK11 Ultra 3 second generation. The full review is going live on the main channel. So if you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. I will see you in the full review on the main channel.